caught in the quiet, where I left you in my head. There's a storm I never showed, and something I never said. I saw your name light up, didn't open it. Too afraid you moved on and I'm still holding it. This room's the same, but time ain't froze. Just echoes now where your laughter goes. I never learned how to let go clean, still dreaming shades of what you mean. You said love me, then turned around, left that word buried underground. Said I still bleed where we laid our bed. Your ghost hums through my skin, I lose you again and again. Love's a lie we both believed, a thread we pulled till we couldn't breathe. I write you in songs I'll never play, just hoping you'd hear me anyway. You were sunlight in my shade, now I chase warmth that always fades. Every what if turns to gray, but I still check if you're okay. You found peace, I found delay, a heart that stutters when I pray for one more line or one last look, but your page I never took. I loved you quiet, loved you slow, in all the ways I couldn't show. This is how the story ends. I'll write it down and press send. Something I never said, I never wanted it to end, but silence was safer than goodbye, so I let you go without a why. If you knew me then, would you still walk away? I wasn't perfect, but I tried to make you stay. You loved a version I never met, chasing someone I tried to forget. Smiles I faked just to feel whole, while hiding bruises under control. I never showed the sleepless nights, the anxious breath behind the lights. You held my hand but not my pain, so I smiled while drowning in the rain. Then would you stay through all my sins? I built a wall and locked you out, whoa, just to keep my silence in. If I broke and let it show, would you love the parts I never showed? I'm a mess with painted skin, but I swear I let you in. I watched you leave with quiet grace, no goodbye, just an empty space. I should've begged, I should've ran, but I froze, still not a man. Now I write you in these these rhymes, 1,000 thoughts between the lines. You said love should make us feel, but all I knew was how to heal. I would've stayed through every storm, but you never let me see you torn. If love is truth, then why the lies? You left me here without goodbye. If love is truth, then why the lies? You said worry. If you knew me then, not just the face, would you still vanish without a trace? Or would we break just slower than in the version of us that never began? I see you clear then fade again, like headlights lost in morning rain. This silence speaks in louder tones. I'm wide awake but feel alone. Forever but meant until. Now I'm pacing halls you used to fill. Empty mugs and your perfume spill still lingers on my windowsill. I sleep with thoughts that weigh too much. My dreams they flinch at your soft touch. This love was art but I lost the brush, and time erased what once was us.
Midnight blur, I lose my way through broken stars and songs we played. You're in the wind, I feel you stay, but never close enough to say.
I'm reaching out with trembling hands to memories slipping like the sand. If this is love, then let it sting. I'd rather ache than feel nothing. I'm still scrolling through our past, deleting pics I meant to last. You moved on too fast, too clean. I'm stuck in loops you've never seen. Can't write a verse without your name. You're hidden in each line of shame. I play it cool, but I'm still caught in every lie that love forgot.
Did you ever mean it? Or was I just a face to feel it? I'm still here, just fading slow into the dark where love don't grow. writing how I feel, 'cause feelings only make it real. And I don't wanna see the truth, that all I lost was all of you.
I numb the pain, replay your voice like I had silence as a choice. Nights get heavy, breath gets thin. I sink where memories begin.
I said I'm fine, but I was scared, loving someone who's never there. You left slow, piece by piece, and I just learned to live with less. It's easier not to feel than to admit what's real. I'd rather drift alone and cold than reach for hands I'll never hold. I play the part, I wear the smile, but I'm broken underneath the style. If you knew the things I hide, would you still have said goodbye?
Loved the best of me, but never stayed for the rest of me. I showed you cracks, you saw them too, but left before the light came through. My heart's a room I never cleaned, full of echoes and might have beens. If love was truth, then this was fake, but I still bend until I break. Whisper what I never said into the dark that fills my bed. You loved me soft and left me slow, and I still ache from letting go. It's easier not to feel at all than wait for someone who won't call. If you ever miss the me you knew, just know I disappeared with you. I text your name but never send. These drafts just echo in my head. You said forever, guess that ends in broken lines I never read. Late nights, cold sheets, no light. Your voice still lingers in the twilight. I drown in beats, trying to feel right, but nothing hits like your goodbye.
Falling in reverse, can't find my way, lost in the words I didn't say. Holding on, but you slip away like waves crashing through my yesterday.
All these nights I replay your smile, wishing I could stop time for a while. But you're a ghost in a world so loud, and I'm just fading into the caught in cycles of what if I tried. Every mirror just reflects my pride. Can't lie, I still break inside when I see that look in another's eyes. I write songs but skip the names, too scared they'll sound the same. You were the calm in my hurricane, now I'm numb, hoping in the rain. whisper to the stars above. Still trying to think called love. Maybe it's lost, maybe enough. But I gave you all I was made of. First hit of you, I was gone. Like smoking lungs at 4 a.m. dawn. Eyes red, mind slow, heart fast. Didn't know peace could ever last. You moved like a melody I knew, but played in a key I couldn't do. I wrote your name in broken loops, then watched it melt under reverb truth. You hit like silence after storm, like love too bright to ever form. I tried to speak, my voice was glass, and you slipped through like moments pass. You were the high I never chased, but felt a deep, a haunting taste, still ringing in my every line. First hit of you, now lost in time. I touch the strings, but they don't sing, not the way